Hi, first graders. We are so excited to meet you and to learn with you this year. My name is Miss Burghardt. I am so pumped to be your teacher this year. A little bit about me. I love to read, especially Harry Potter books. I can't wait to read with you this year. I love to bake while I'm at home. I love my family, especially my two nephews. My nephew Oakley is 9 years old, and my nephew Bentley is 5 years old. I love to swim when I work out. This year is going to be different than any other school year we've had. I will be teaching and you will be learning by using your iPad. There are a couple things that I want to make sure you know before the first day of school, so make sure you and your parents are paying attention. Here is our weekly summary. On Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, you will be on a video call with me and the rest of the class. I will take attendance to make sure everyone is there. We will send you a schedule with the time you should log on through Dojo and Seesaw, and you should get a notification when I send it. This is called synchronous learning, when we are all together learning at the same thing at the same time. On Mondays and Fridays, you will be using your iPad to learn by yourself. You will log on to Seesaw in the morning and complete assignments there. This is called asynchronous learning, since we are all learning at different times. Remember to look at Dojo and Seesaw for our schedule. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message on Class Dojo or on email. Look for some helpful links in the description of this video. I'm so excited to start the year with you.